Good morning, YouTube. Hope everybody is doing well. Today is the day we're taking them tractors up to the cruise in. So I got them lined up here behind me in front of the barn, and I got 3 of them left to spray off. I really give the 88 a detailing and cleaned it up nice, being it's so pretty. But you know, them other ones, hey, you know, you don't want to knock the rust off of them. But anyway, we're just gonna wash bird mess off of them, so you know, at least that's gone, and we don't have that, you know, for people to look at. Who wants to see that? But anyway, we're going to get these rinsed off, and here shortly we're going to truck them up the road and hard park them in the parking lot up there and see how many heads we can turn. And right there they are in all their glory. I know what you're thinking. Olivers, 4 all right, these 4 Olivers is spit in a bucket. That's what's on this farm. Okay, this is Oliver country without a doubt, and we've got more coming, more to work on, but for now these will do. Now the tractors that they use day in and day out are Fords and New Hollands and John Deeres, but it used to be these, all of them, and all of them, Oliver, all of the, that's a tongue twister. Somebody figure that out and put it in the comments below. But got them sprayed off. I'm gonna pull them over there at the shop and check air pressure in them, and we'll be ready to start trucking them up the road. Hope y'all enjoy this video. It's gonna be fun. It'll be a good time. Anyway, thank y'all. All right, guys, here's what we're taking to the cruise in today. We got an Oliver 77 with a wide front end, gas burner. We got another Oliver 77 with a tricycle. This one's Rusty. He's also a gas burner. Then we got a Super 77 Oliver that's diesel. That is Smoky. And then we got the Super 88, another gas burner. So here's your lineup. This is what we're taking today, and it is go time. All right, guys, Cannonball Repair here.
How's the head pedal down?
There, we're getting ready to load. Well, we're not loading these up. We're just going to get on them. We're going to ride them down the road, and we're going to take them that cruise in. So y'all stay tuned. All right, ready to go.
Oh yeah!
Yeah! See what we got with old 88 here.
45, 45 now, 45, 45 now, 5, just right here for 45, 45 now, 35, 35 now, no, get ready to make Robert here, safety, come on, you on it.
It's the commercial-free ride on 96.9 The Cat.
Well, guys, hope that was fun. We had a good time.
Oh yeah.
Got sunburnt in the process, but that's always a good thing. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Check us out. Cannonball Repair.
Eyes ahead, pedal down.
Check them out. See y'all.